Check out the latest updates in emergencyX, designed to improve operational visibility, enhance inspection workflows, and provide greater flexibility across maps and dashboards. Maintenance information is now more accessible during inspections, with the 3 most recent maintenance photos from InspectX displayed directly for related maintenance items on the same asset. Clearer and more informative error notifications help users identify and resolve issues faster. Mapping capabilities have been expanded with support for adding external map layers via URL, while enhanced dashboard filters make it easier to analyze, monitor, and act on critical data. The following update shows that maintenance data visibility during inspections in emergencyX. To check, click on Jump to Asset to quickly navigate to the asset overview within the emergencyX platform. Here, you can select the specific asset from the drop-down you want to inspect and review its details. Now, go to Inspections to access the inspection records associated with the selected asset. Click on the 3-dot icon of the selected asset and go to View to display the full inspection report and examine all relevant information. Here, you can view the maintenance data of the selected asset. Now, you can click Exit Inspection to close the inspection view and return to the main asset dashboard. This video demonstrated how to view maintenance data during inspections in emergencyX. The next update is how one can view 3 recent maintenance photos from InspectX in emergencyX. Now, you can click Jump to Asset to quickly access the asset overview within emergencyX. For example, you can select asset number M2199 to open details for the selected asset. Now go to Inspections to view all inspection records, including maintenance photos related to the asset. Go to Action and click on the 3-dot button to review details and related actions. Click View to open the full inspection report and examine all findings and photos. Click here to explore more options related to the inspection, including editing schedules or downloading photos. Here, you can view 3 recent maintenance photos from InspectX in emergencyX platform. This video highlights how you can view recent maintenance photos from InspectX in emergencyX for the same asset. The following update shows how emergencyX helps you view error notifications in the emergencyX. Go to Flood Monitor to open the flood monitoring dashboard. Go to Monitor Status to check the current status of all monitored flood areas and receive timely updates. Here you will see this error notification for those assets whose inspection data is not copied or uploaded correctly. This demo highlights reviewing error notifications in emergencyX. The next update is how to add external map layers in the emergencyX platform. Navigate to the ArcGIS layers to open the Layers Management panel within emergencyX. This allows you to view and manage geographic data layers. Now, you can go to Add Layer to add and manage external map layers and data sources. Select the data source from the drop-down to choose the origin of your geographic data. Selecting the right source ensures accurate and updated information. Here, you can select the region to add external map layers for that region. For example, here you can see the layers is being added for this particular DOT. Here, you can perform the layer addition process. This video highlights how to efficiently add and configure external map layers in emergencyX, enabling you to enhance your maps with accurate geographic data. This video showcases addition of filters in the dashboard section of emergencyX. For this, go to Main Navigation menu to access the emergencyX dashboard. Here, you can find a newly added tab of filters in the right corner. Here, you can access specific filter criteria to refine the incident data displayed on your dashboard. For example, here is asset types, then districts, also county, then impact statuses, and incident. You can navigate to Clear All button to reset all filters and return to the default incident dashboard view. This video highlights the newly added Filters tab in the emergencyX platform. This feature helps enhance your emergency management workflow. These enhancements are focused on delivering a more connected, efficient, and user-friendly emergencyX experience, helping teams access critical information faster, improve situational awareness, and make informed decisions with confidence.